Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nila Nur Kamila. So today I want to retell a novel. The title is The Promise He Made by Linda Style. So the story is about Serena and Cole Germain, two teenagers who fell deeply in love during high school. They had been together for a long time, and they believed they would spend the rest of their lives together. They had many plans for the future, such as going to college, getting married, and build a happy family. However, everything changed because one of terrible mistake. One night before graduation, Cole promised Serena that he would only stop by a graduation party for a short time. Serena trusts him and wait for him, but Cole decided to stay at the party longer than he had promised. He drank too much alcohol and joined a illegal drag race with his friend. And during the race, he lost control of his car and caused a terrible accident. And the accident changed my life forever. Celine, the sheriff doctor and Ryan's girlfriend, died in the accident. Ryan, who was Serena's twin brother, survived, but he suffered serious injuries that affect his life for many years. Cole was arrested and sent to prison because he was fully responsible for the accident. For everyone in Spirit Check, Cole became the young man who destroyed several lives in just one night. But Serena had another problem that nobody knew. A few weeks after the accident, Serena found out that she was pregnant with Cole's baby. At that time, Cole was already in the prison and Serena had to face everything alone. She was still very young, she was heartbroken, and she did not know what to do. And after thinking carefully, Serena made the most painful decision in her life. She gave birth to the baby and allowed another family to adopt the child. She believed that her baby deserved a better future than she could provide at that time. Even though she knew it was the best decision, she never stopped thinking about her child. Losing both Cole and her baby left a deep wound that stayed with her for many years. And after that, Serena tried to continue her life. She was married for a short time, but the marriage failed because there was no real love between them. And later, she returned to Spirit Trade and opened a small coffee called a Cosmic Bean. She became an independent woman and focused on her work, but she never completely forgot about her past. Meanwhile, Cole finished serving his prison sentence, and after leaving prison, he did not return to Spirit Trek because he believed everyone had him, so he moved away and built a successful career in advertising. Although he looked successful from the outside, he lived with the guilt every single day. He knew that one careless decision had destroyed many lives, especially for Serena's life. 13 years later, Cole finally returned to Spirit Trek. He did not come back because he expected Serena to forgive him. He returned because his mother was in financial trouble. She had guaranteed a bank loan for Ryan's jeep turning business. Suddenly, the business was not doing well, and she was in danger of losing her home. Cole decided to help Ryan save the business, even though he knew Ryan had every reason to hate him. And when Serena heard that Cole had returned, she became angry, sad, and nervous. She wanted to avoid him because seeing him reminded her of everything she had lost. Every painful memory came back, including the accident, the pregnant, and the child she had given up for the adoption. Cole also felt uncomfortable. He knew he did not deserve Serena's forgiveness. Instead of asking people to forget the past, he quietly worked hard to help Ryan improve the business. He used his experience in advertising to attract more customers. He also tried to help other people in town whenever he could. Little by little, Serena noticed that Cole was no longer the irresponsible teenage boy she had loved years ago. He had become a mature, patient, and a caring man. He accepted responsibility for his mistake instead of blaming other people. As they spent time more together, they slowly talking again. At first, their conversations were full of anger and sadness. Serena finally told Cole how much she had suffered after he went to prison. She also told him the secret she had kept for 13 years. She told Cole that she had been pregnant with his child. Cole was really shocked. He had never known that Serena was carrying their baby. When he learned that their child had been placed for the adoption, he even more guilty. He realized that while he had been thinking about his own punishment, Serena had been carrying an even heavier burden all by herself, alone. Cole apologized to Serena. He admitted that he could never change the past. He did not ask Serena to forget everything. He only wanted her to know that he truly regret his action and that he had spent the last 13 years trying to become a better man. Slowly, Serena began to see that Cole has really changed. She understood that he could not erase his mistake, but he had accepted consequence and tried his best to make things change. She also realized that holding on to anger for 13 years had only made her heart feel even heavier. And finally, Serena decided to forgive Cole. Forgiving him did not mean forgetting the accident or pretending that nothing had happened. It simply meant letting go of the hatred so both of them could move forward with their lives. So in the end, Serena and Cole chose to give their love another chance. Their relationship became stronger because it was now built on honesty, on responsibility, forgiveness, and trust. Although they could never change the past or bring back they had lost, they finally found hope for a better future together. I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.